So it's been a little while since I've checked out Gala. I thought I'd make a super quick update for my Gala fans. I don't want to make this too long because I have some other updates to do. I did just want to highlight there's not a lot going on in the markets right now, and I wanted to show you a few different things which aren't necessarily correlated to Gala, but will have a direct correlation on the price. Number one, like I said, I'm going to make this as quick as I can. Number one, between the 3rd and the 4th of May, the next Federal Reserve meeting is happening. I believe that is why we're seeing extreme fear in the markets right now. Bitcoin's channeling down to the downside. If you don't watch my total market updates, I will just let you know the dollar's showing extreme strength. You've got your blue chip stocks that are absolutely plummeting right now. This is not good for crypto. You've got the Nasdaq breaking down into new lows, the SPX breaking down into new lows. The general markets are not looking good right now. This is why we're seeing Gala, as to no surprise, breaking down every level of support we've got. You know, it was done once we moved below 23 cent. That was your 786 fib. And then you could even argue, you know, we were double dead once we moved below 15 cent. On the daily, we've tried to come up a bit. We've got a decent amount of volume coming in, but bear in mind your squeeze momentum indicator is very much to the downside. Looking at your 4-hour, lots of volume coming in as we recently came up and tried to test your 4-hourly EMAs. These 4-hour EMAs have been strong resistance. Now, like I said, number one, we have the Fed meeting between the 3rd and the 4th. Within the next 4 days, I believe confidence will return back in the market. So I will give you an update for that then. Number two, the second thing I wanted to show you, which once again doesn't necessarily have that great of a correlation to what's going on in Gala, but it is the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curves. And as you can see, Bitcoin is right down at its lower Fibonacci bound. There is only one more level down on this logarithmic growth curve, and it is this orange line, low dev, which in mathematical terms means one deviation of the average price oversold. Historically, if we look at this, the bottom orange line on these logarithmic growth curves have always been the bottom. So worst comes to worst, Bitcoin has a flush out to, according to this indicator, it would be 32,000 is the absolute lowest that Bitcoin would move down to. So at this moment in time, with the Fed meeting pending, with all of this news that we've got, like, you know, we're literally coming down into the bottom of these logarithmic growth curves. So if you believe in Gala for the long term, maybe now is an okay time to DCA. I personally wouldn't recommend it. Like I said, I'm sitting on the sidelines until the Federal Reserve conference. Yeah, conference. Honestly, I've made a lot of videos today. Just bear with me. But yeah, like I said, the Federal Reserve conference is between the 3rd and the 4th. So we've got another 3 or 4 days until that meeting is done. I will be updating you after that meeting is done, but until then, the trend is your friend to the end. We are clearly in a downtrend for Gala games. If you look at your oscillators, like I said, your money flow indicator and your relative strength index recently had a very strong bottom. However, I want to see this Federal Reserve meeting wrapped up. I want to see Bitcoin have a rebound. Like I said, we're down to your absolute lowest levels. I don't think now is the time to paper hand and sell your cryptos in hopes to buy them back 50% cheaper, when if you look at your Bitcoin logarithmic growth curves, we're at the lowest risk bands in the crypto market right now. We're in extreme fear as well for Bitcoin. But yeah, like I said, we've recently broken below these lows. We're not even back retesting these lows to get a rejection at 15.5 cent. I'll be sitting on the sidelines for Gala. I hope to update you when we do have an update for Gala. Like I've been saying, I haven't covered Gala as much for the past couple of weeks or so because we have just been heading down. If you do want me to cover Gala more often, then smash the like button. Let me know down below in the comments. I run off your feedback, so if enough people want me to start consistently covering Gala, then that's what I'll do. But if, you know, not many people want me to cover it, then I will just cover other cryptos that other people want to see. I guess it makes sense. But that's all I've got for Gala. Still looking a bit choppy. I think the bottom is near, but like I said, I would not be DCAing right now. I'd be sitting on the sidelines till the Fed meeting is done. That's all I've got for Gala. Cowboy out, not financial advice, and as always, peace.